In this video, we're going to go over how to do a startup on a Haas milling machine, and we're also going to show you how to perform the spindle warm-up on Monday mornings. You have to do this so the spindle doesn't get damaged after it's been sitting idle for a while. So let's get to it. The first part of it is turning the machine on. It's pretty straightforward. We just walk over to the machine, push the power on button, and while you're there, twist the emergency stop so it pops out. There we go. That's out. And now what we got to do is wait for this to boot up. It says right down here, initializing, please wait. The initializing means that this is booting up kind of like a computer does. It's kind of a little bit old-fashioned version of a computer, but it does the same thing. It needs to go through a boot up sequence. So we have to wait until that is all done. And you're going to see right here, it comes up automatically with an error that says alarm 102 servos turned off. That's because we just started it. And what we have to do is press this button over here that says power up, restart. That, when we push that, it's going to go through a sequence where it brings the Z home and then the X and the Y home. So we hit that. And you can see here that the head is moving up, so the Z axis is being sent home. And once that's done, the X and the Y will start moving. So what happens is the machine needs to know where the home position is, and there are sensors for X, Y, and Z. And once those sensors are hit after the table goes home, we'll know where machine 0 is. So right now we've got Y0 is set, X0 is set, and it says Z is at 4.7118 on the plus side. That is a factory setting that it goes to there. It goes above the home position. Okay, so now that that's all set, what we need to do is go locate the program to run a spindle warm-up. Right here you can see this program is just for a part, so we want to go find the one for the warm-up. To do that, I'm going to go over to my mode keys, which are these right here. I'm going to press the bottom one with a little arrow kind of on the side. It says list programs. Alright. Now I'm going to go up here and I'm going to look at my list of programs in memory. The first one says daily warm-up. The second one says spindle warm-up. That's the one we want, is the second one. So for me to get to there, I'm going to have to use these arrow keys. Alright. And I'm above it by 2, so I'm going to use the down arrow key twice. Alright, and now I've used this arrow to highlight it. And then I want to use select program. Alright, so you're going to hear me press it, you hear the beep, and it selects the program. And what you see is a little letter A next to it. That letter A over here means it's the active program. So in memory, we got to press the memory key once, so the screen is highlighted, and this program will just run a spindle warm-up. It says if machine has been idle for more than 4 days, it's actually 2 days. It takes 20 minutes to warm up. Little by little it works its way up. Speed of 500. It runs it for 200 seconds. Then it bumps it to 1,000 for 200 seconds, and it just keeps cranking it up and up and up and up till it runs to 6,000 for 200 seconds. So all we got to do now is press the cycle start. The spindle's running, and this is in the middle of the program. We just wait until it's finished and it stops running, and we'll know that we're good and warmed up.